how to activate Bixby with your voice on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to enable Voice Wake Up so you can launch Bixby hands-free on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. From there, tap on Bixby to open the Bixby settings. At this point, tap on Voice Wake Up to open the voice activation settings. In the next step, toggle on Voice Wake Up to enable it. Following this, you'll see two voice word options, Hi Bixby or just Bixby. Tap on whichever one you prefer to use. Once done, if you want Bixby to only respond to your voice specifically, toggle on Respond to My Voice to set up voice recognition. From here, follow the on-screen prompts and say the wake word out loud a few times so Bixby can learn and recognize your voice. At this stage, once the voice training is complete, Bixby will only respond when it hears your voice and not anyone else's. Finally, test it out by saying Hi Bixby or Bixby from anywhere on your device to confirm that Voice Wake Up is working correctly. And that's it. If this Samsung guide helped you activate Bixby with your voice, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.